I got money. You want to start an Eqqub? An Eqqub is a traditional way of saving money without going through the bank system. In the past, it was used especially because it allowed to have a substantial amount of money that you wouldn't be able to save all at once. And this system works best in societies based on community rather than individualism. Among our people, this system was common during a time of scarcity where people didn't have the means to stock up on food or clothing for their children. So the money from the Eqqub came very handy. This system is still used today by many in the diaspora because going to the bank for an immigrant can be pretty stressful because of the language barrier or the new system. It allows to have savings without keeping them at home or in a bank. And also because it could be a good excuse to meet periodically with people who share the same cultural background and immigrant experience. But how does it work? A group of friends, let's say 10, get together periodically every month and drink coffee or eat hambasha, and while they're there, each of them put $100 on the table. At the end of the meeting, one person is selected randomly and takes home the whole total, so $1,000. The next month, again, they put together another $100 each, and another person takes home the $1,000. And so every month this repeats. So after 10 months, each of them takes home $1,000. Very convenient because it allows people to have a large sum of money that they wouldn't be able to save in a short amount of time and be able to afford large expenses, like plane tickets home. I heard other countries around the world have a similar saving rotating system. Do you know any?
Culture is cool.